Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create super quick personalized birthday card. If you like it, I really hope you'll enjoy today's tutorial. For my project today, I'm going to use amazing collection designed by Marta Debicka called Drop of Sunshine number 3, and I left the link to Craftstash where you can get the digital copy. As you can see, the design papers are simply gorgeous with more bright and pale colors, and that's exactly what I'm going to use in today's video. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And what's really good about this collection, it also has lots of elements to fussy cut. But if you get the whole collection as a bundle, you also get amazing set of DL size background papers, which means you can use them to create super quick, amazing cards with literally no time. All you have to do is to choose a sentiment, add few gems or maybe a ribbon, and the card is complete. In the whole bundle you also get some labels with sentiments, but also labels with no sentiments, which means you can stamp anything you want or actually die cut the letters to create your own sentiments as well using variety of paper. I absolutely love this collection. It has lots of elements to fussy cut, including floral frames. I love them. And lots of leaves, which is always perfect for floral images. And now you will see my totally favorite background paper. I had to show you, I use it for so many projects so far. And then more elements to fussy cut. And later on, I'm going to show you how I actually keep them together with the collection. So first, using my canvas workspace and ScanNCut machine, I'm going to use those two design papers to cut 22, because that is the year that the recipient will have their birthday on. So I thought, let's do it. Let's create a card in the shape of 22. To add a little bit more color and interest, I'm going to use Kitsch Flamingo and rounded ink blending tool. This is super quick technique to add a little bit more interest to your project. So yes, feel free to use it because it really makes a difference. And if you know me, I absolutely love distressing all the edges with ink, but also some scissors. But this way, here, I'm going to add just the color. And I think let's leave it with the scissors. Let's leave the clean edge. If you like that technique, please let me know in the comments down below. I also wonder, have you ever used any of Marta's design papers? If you haven't, please check her Buy Me a Coffee website because she's got amazing set of design papers. And this Drop of Sunshine number 3 collection is my favorite from all her designs, and if you've seen my other videos, I use it quite a lot. I also wonder, have you seen my 16th birthday card? If you haven't, the link is in the top right corner. So if you have ScanNCut machine or Cricut, play with your design software because this is the best way to create personalized cards. Using the offset setting and white multi-purpose card, I created 22 background. And again, I'm going to add that Kitsch Flamingo on all the edges. And at this point, I thought, would it be possible to create a card just using the letters of the name of the recipient? But maybe that is the thought for another video. As you can see, this makes this card super elegant so far. And what do you think about this color palette for the birthday card? If you like it, please let me know. I'm going to start putting all those elements together using my one and only liquid glue, Magic Glue. It is a bookbinding glue and I do have time to maneuver my elements if I need to. And this is crucial, especially in card making, because we want all the elements to look professionally finished. And now you can see how I store all my fussy cut elements, and I'm going to use some of the roses that will match the background paper. And I always put those bags inside the A4 wallets with the whole collection. So this way I've got everything ready for my cards. And I wonder, do you use that trick in your paper craft projects? I'm really curious how you store your collections. As I said before, it is a digital collection, so you can print the design papers and elements as many times as you want. And what's really good about them, you can also resize them. So you can print on A3 card if you want, or you can resize them down and then you can have two elements on one A4 paper, and this way you can have amazing variety in your projects. To add a little bit more dimension to the whole card, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive, and I think this one works really well so far. If you agree, let me know in the comments down below. I also wonder, have you ever created a personalized birthday card with the number of a recipient, like in this case a shaped card? If you have, I would really love to see it, so please leave the link in the comments down below. And it is nearly the end of the year, and my goal for this year was to reach 500 subscribers on my channel. I'm still I would need a few more, but to be honest, I'm just so happy for every single person that subscribed to my channel, so I wanted to say a massive thank you to every single one of you. I really enjoy your support here and all the comments you put under my videos. They always put a massive smile on my face, and they really keep me going because I've got more and more ideas every day for new videos. So if you're new to my channel, I really hope you will click that subscribe button and also notification bell, because every Monday I've got personalized cards, and on Thursdays, yes, I still have some Christmas projects for you. And now I'm going to put some double-sided tape, adhesive, foam tape, on the other number 2, and I'm going to put it on the card. And again, it's always a good idea to add a few drops of liquid glue, because this way you'll make sure that all the elements will be adhered forever. And that's exactly what we want. As you can see, I also put that floral below those tools, so this way I've got even more dimension. Using my ScanNCut machine, I created the name of the recipient, Sophie, and I'm going to use some technique for heat embossing. I've never tried it before, but I decided to give it a go. So I'm going to ink my Sophie name with Kitsch Flamingo. As you can see, I'm trying to put as much ink as possible, and I'm going to use clear embossing powder by Wow, and I will try to create a glaze effect. So now I'm going to sprinkle the name with that powder and heat set it with my heat tool. And I do encourage you, whenever you do some heat embossing, please heat set your tool before you start melting the powder on your project. That will make a massive difference. And just to make sure I don't burn my fingers here, I'm using my pokey tool. So yes, you can do it, or you can use some tweezers as well. That will work perfectly fine for this project. I wonder, have you ever created that technique or use it for your project? Again, I'm going to use the same Kitsch Flamingo. So I put the ink, but I made sure that the previous heat embossing was completely dry and cool. Now I'm going to add another layer of the powder, and I'm going to heat set it again. And to be honest, the effect is absolutely stunning. I've never done it before. I've never done it twice heat embossing on some elements, and I was blown away how beautiful it looks, especially if you tilt it against the light. It gives you that beautiful shine look. It actually looks like glossy lipstick. That is, I think, the best description of it. Have you ever used that technique before? If you haven't, today is the day. Trust me, you have to try it. The clear embossing powder is the key. Now I'm going to use my scoring board, and I'm going to create a top flap in another white 300 GSM multi-purpose card, and this way our card is going to open at the top. As you can see on the left hand side, we do have a little bit more of card that we need to, so I'm going to trim it with my scissors. And if you're interested in any of the products I used in today's video, check the description below because I left some links. And if you use my affiliate links, that really supports my channel, so thank you so much. So our card is nearly complete. As you can see, it is super quick, beautiful and elegant card. So if you have an electronic machine, I encourage you to create shaped cards like this. They literally take no time, and all you have to do is to decide which design paper you want to use. And now it is time to add some gems, because why not? Let's create a very beautiful and elegant birthday card. As you can see, the card stands proudly, there is plenty of space to write your message inside, and I wanted to say massive thank you for watching this video and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting! Bye for now!